Welcome back to Crypto Tax Club, where you win the tax game like the whales do. We are currently at 345 subscribers. Thank you everyone for subscribing. My goal is to hit 500 subscribers by the end of the year, so if you like my content, please hit the like button because I would really appreciate it. So let's get started because there's a lot of news to cover. Bitcoin is currently at $48,700. There's very little volume right now. The bulls and bears are fighting against each other to see which way it really wants to go. So this is the daily chart. So from the all-time high of around $69,000, we have dropped around 30%. I wanted to go over some support lines that we really want to focus on. At the current price, we are above the mini support of $46,000, which is the orange line. You can see that we had to bounce off this level back in February and in October, where once it broke this line, it went straight up to an all-time high. This isn't a super strong support, but we definitely want to be higher than this. If you look at this ascending trend line, we are below this. In the next couple of days, we really need to see it pop back up, which will be around the $50,000 to $51,000 mark. Other supports that we really need to watch out for are the 41,600 and the 29,600. The last time we saw $41,600 was in September, and there was a heavy reversal there. So if we are breaking below 46,000, there could be a good chance that we are going down to 41,000. That being said, if you look at the MACD, it looks like we're getting pretty oversold, and there's a chance that we may see a bounce soon. So now that we have only 10 days left until year end, let me ask you this. What price do you think we will close by December 31st? Comment below with your answers. The whole crypto market is down. The total market cap is 2.2 trillion, and I believe the all-time high was right above 3 trillion. As we all already know that crypto goes up and down and there are huge corrections, which is kind of what we're seeing today. It also presents some good buying opportunities for some of my favorite projects. I'm on Live Coin Watch and I really like the watch list because you can track how much percentage is down from an all-time high. So take a look at this from an all-time high column. You have Solana that's down 32% from the high. Cardano is down almost 60%. Polkadot is down 56%, even with great news on the parachains, which we will cover later. These are the type of buying opportunities where you can easily double your money if you buy at a market where there's fear. So going down the list, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, Polkadot, Polygon, Uniswap, Algorand, all of these are great buys. So I want to know what you all think are great tokens to buy today. So comment below on what we should be buying. NFTs are continuing to be hot. Adidas launched their first NFTs, nets $23 million and shoots to the top of the chart. Look, we got Nike, Pepsi, Budweiser. It looks like all of the major brands are getting on the NFT train. All of the NFTs were sold in a single afternoon. Can you imagine just collecting $23 million in less than a couple hours? If you guys heard of Bored Ape Yacht Club, they did a collaboration with them, which is also one of the reasons why they're selling like hotcakes. There are a total of 30,000 NFTs that are on the Ethereum network. So we got many top major brands jumping on the crypto bandwagon. Now we got Radio Shack that's pivoting to crypto, specifically the DeFi and the NFT market. I think it's been 20 years since I've been to Radio Shack. In fact, I haven't seen a Radio Shack around where I live. I actually thought they went out of business. So it says that Radio Shack's new mission is to bridge the gap in mainstream usage of DeFi. So let me go to the website real quick. So it says bringing cryptocurrency to the mainstream. And it looks like Radio Token will be the native token. Let's read the challenge here. It says, there is a real generational gap between the average crypto buyer and the average business decision maker. This demographic differences create a substantial psychological barrier to crypto adoption. So they will bridge between the CEOs to the new world of crypto. And then if you scroll further down, what's interesting is that Tai Lopez is involved with the DeFi project. I heard he's not the most credible person, and I don't even think he has much experience in the crypto world. So I'm really interested to see how this will all be played out. This piece of news is exciting for me because I love online shooting games. Back in the days, I would play Counter-Strike and Call of Duty all day long. So there's a game on Solana's network called Mini Royale Nations. It hit 2 million players after the NFT launch. So this game is the first online game to run on Solana blockchain and feature live, simultaneous multiplayer action. So if anyone is new to NFTs, how it relates to gaming is that NFTs act like a deed of ownership to a unique digital item that can be used in a game. So this can be like an avatar or a better weapon. You can buy the NFTs and use it directly in the game, or you can also sell it on the NFT marketplace. So there's a video, so let's take a quick look. Let's move on to Polkadot. This is great news because they have been talking about this for a while. Parachains are live and the launch is now complete. I was expecting Polkadot price to go up, but there hasn't been much movement. Remember, it was down 56% from an all-time high, so this may be one of those where you can double your money. So Parachain runs parallel on Polkadot, connected to the Polkadot relay chain and validator set. Without getting too much into it, it essentially helps Polkadot to scale. Parachains can also connect to external networks such as Bitcoin and Ethereum using cross-network bridges. So this is excellent news and something to watch out for if you're looking to invest in something that has huge potential. Another NFT news is Instagram is exploring NFT opportunities. So now you have Facebook and the Meta and NFT play. I believe Twitter is looking into NFTs too, and now we have Instagram. So according to the CEO, he says, nothing to announce yet, but we are definitely actively exploring NFTs and how we can make them more accessible to a wider audience. I think Instagram has a real use case for NFTs because of the large content creators that are on Instagram. So I will keep a lookout, and if I hear more, I will let you all know. Alright, so today, a lot of NFT news. Great news on Solana's game, and excellent news on Polkadot Parachain announcement. Thank you all for watching. If you liked my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you all later.